Need to collaborate with others on your Baserow database. Sharing your database lets you work with teammates, clients, or partners in real time without sending files back and forth. In this guide, I'll show you how to share databases in Baserow in 2026. First, log in to Baserow and open the workspace that contains the database you want to share. Next, click on the database you want to share. Make sure it contains the correct tables and data before continuing. Look for the Sharing or Members option inside your workspace or database settings. This is where you manage access and permissions. To share your database, enter the email address of the person you want to invite, then choose their role or permission level, such as viewer or editor. Carefully set permissions depending on what each person should be able to do. For example, viewers can only see data, while editors can modify tables and records. This helps keep your data secure. Some setups may allow you to generate a shareable link. You can copy this link and send it directly to collaborators for quick access. And that's how to share databases in Baserow in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can collaborate with your team, manage projects together, and keep your data organized in one place. So yeah, sharing makes teamwork a lot easier. Thanks for watching.